Welcome to one of Plano's hippest areas, the villas at Legacy West. Built by Britton Homes, the villas are single-family, detached 2- and 3-story modern homes. They feature bright and airy floor plans, clean lines, and upscale aesthetics. Their ideal location complements residents seeking a low-maintenance lifestyle in a high-end community. One of my favorite things about this community is the ability to walk to Legacy West, where you'll find retail and dining. Welcome inside 6109 Preserve Drive.
I can't wait to show you around. Let's take a tour.
One of the great features about this home is that it's divided up into 2 levels. The first floor is your main living space.
Jan, one of the things I really love about this property are these rich hardwood floors. They just add a warmth to the property and they complement the modern design. The family room offers large windows flanked by built-in bookshelves on either side. It flows seamlessly into the dining room with access to a side courtyard patio. And don't miss the guest half bath, which features designer Gucci wallpaper.
You know me, Donna. Is this not the ultimate kitchen to order takeout in?
You got that right, Jen.
All kidding aside, homeowners can enjoy quartz countertops and a focal wall of Carrara marble tile. The fabulous GE Monogram appliance package includes a built-in refrigerator, induction cooktop with vent hood, convection oven, and Advantium microwave. You also have this large island that can seat 2 bar stools. There's an adjacent counter space also featuring the Carrara marble and a built-in wine fridge for hosting guests.
Upstairs, you will find the primary suite with beautiful wood details. I love the soft gray color in this room. There is also a private balcony. The primary bath features floating vanities with accent lighting, a Kohler soaking tub, plus a large walk-in shower enclosed with floor-to-ceiling marble.
Completing the second level are 2 additional bedrooms, full hall bath, and an open loft area at the stairway landing. Plus, you have your laundry located on this floor as well. This villa has so much to offer that we invite you to come visit it in person. If you'd like more information, give either of us a call or feel free to go to our website, janritchie.com. I'm Jan Ritchie.
And I'm Donna Egan, and I look forward to seeing you at our next home tour.